Hi class, this is Terry Tucker, your anthropology instructor for this course. I'm happy to introduce you to week one, and I kind of want to go over what is expected for this week. So if you open up to the anthropology section of week one, you start with the week one anthro agenda, and that kind of gives you an overview of the requirements for the week. So it tells you there are 8 objectives. These are the things that we will be covering this week. And at the end of the week, if you can go back and answer these 8 things, then you'll be well on your way to be successful in the unit exam, which occurs in 3 weeks. And then underneath the objectives, you have the tasks. Review the open educational resources for the week. Those are the required readings. Take the anthropology reading quiz, which is for a maximum of 5 extra credit points. And they just go over the readings and highlight important information. There's also a section called Instructor Go Further Instructor Notes. And these are not required reading, but they're very, very useful. And they're not very long. But there's information that I've highlighted from the OER that you will definitely see again on the anthropology unit exam. Also, it's useful to know this information because it ties all the objective, the overview, it gives you the really big overview of anthropology and ties it all together for you. And then finally, you have your weekly assignment. So always start off the week anthropology information on with the overview, the anthro agenda. It gives you when the due dates of your assignments are due as well by just clicking on these links. So one way to be successful with the OER is when you click on the readings. So Professor Barson is using OER as well, but she has them listed as individual pages within Canvas. Instead, I have provided links, and what you do is you click on the link, and that will take you to the website, and you will need to take notes upon that website. I've also listed multimedia, and these is just another way to absorb information for the week. So you have 3 required readings this week. One is by the American Anthropological Association, so you click on that. And what I like to do is when I'm preparing to study for information, because we're using OER and website information, there's no textbook to highlight information. So Professor Barson has provided a really interesting way using the Cornell note system, and that works really well as well. Another way you can do this is to open up a web text document, such as Google Documents, or have Word or some other file going, and you can actually open up that file. So let's say we're using Excel, and you can Control Alt Tab to the web page, and I like to highlight the web page like this, Control C, and go back to Excel and paste this is the website name. And then as I'm reading through the information, what is anthropology? Well, anthropology is the study of humans, past and present. So you want to highlight that, Control C, Control Tab back to Excel, and then Control V or paste that information. So you're creating a living document as you're reading and studying, and that you're creating your notes. And you are allowed to use your notes page on your anthropology unit exams. So as you're reading, you're actually creating your notes for the test. And then you can, as you review your information later on to study, you can add like important information, expand the topics. Okay, but it also gives you this website so that if you need to go back and refresh your memory, you can. It's right there. So that's one way to study for your tests and prepare for your homework, your weekly assignments using the OER. Okay, if you have any questions about how to create this or any other information about this week's assignments, just let me know. You can email me and I'm available through email at any time. Thank you.